When it comes time to sell, many homeowners wonder, can I get more money for my home if I renovate it first? So the answer to the question is a bit tricky. Some renovations get you more bang for your buck, and some won't raise your value enough for you to even break even. Marcy Hines here with the Upside Now, and today I'm excited to share my 3 tips on what you need to know when deciding whether or not to renovate your home before listing it. Number 1, look at the competition. The first thing you should do to help you decide if you want to renovate is to look at the competition around your home, check out what has sold in your area, and compare it to your home. This research will tell you what you may or may not need to do and where you should focus your time and money to get the most out of your renovations.
Sometimes you want to sit here, think about what you could have done differently.
Number 2, consider your time and energy. If you're wanting to make some improvements and save some money by doing it yourself, then please make sure you don't take on more than you can handle. I am completely speaking from experience here, you guys. Focus on the small, manageable projects that you have the time, money, and energy to finish. If you decide you don't have the time to handle a major DIY renovation, you may need to consider hiring a pro.
I'm gonna rip these walls out and, of course, rewire it.
Yeah, you're gonna make it all 220?
Yeah, 220, 221, whatever it takes.
Number 3, make smart upgrades. The best trend I have been watching so far is making your home smarter and more efficient. From smart thermostats, video doorbells, and smart appliances, the sky is the limit on how you can control your home. Recently, I had to replace my washer and dryer, and my new set has its own app that lets me start whenever I want and sends me a notification when the clothes are done. What? Smart upgrades are a win in my book.
True.
At the end of the day, you guys, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're wondering what the right move is for you, connect with your favorite real estate agent. They really know what's paying off in your specific area and can help you weigh the pros and cons of each renovation project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.